Welcome to this lesson. This is our first lesson in the topic integration. So we are going to look at what is integration. Earlier on you have covered topic known as differentiation. Differentiation is when you get the gradient function of a given function, that is gradient function. So integration is the reverse of differentiation. This is to mean that if you are given the gradient function, to get the function itself, you integrate. Here we have an example. We have three functions or equations. So this is the first one, y is equals to x plus 2. Then we have y is equals to x plus 3. And y is equals to x plus 2. So let's have a look at the graphs that can be obtained from these functions, and then you see the kind of graphs they are and how they are related. So this is a graph that we obtained from the equations given. So this is the graph of y is equals to x plus 3. This is a graph of y is equals to x plus 1, and this is a graph of y is equals to x plus minus 2. You observe that the three lines are parallel, and we know that parallel lines have the same gradient. So when you use the differentiation, we start with the first one, and that is y is equals to x plus 3. Then the gradient function dy over dx is equals to 1. Then we have y is equals to x plus 1. Then we have dy over dx, that is the gradient of this line, is the same as 1. Then we have y is equals to x minus 2. We get dy over dx is equals to 1. So we find that all the three lines have the same gradient, but the y-intercept is different. This one crosses the y axis at 3. This one y-intercept is 1, and this one y-intercept is 2. So we can conclude that all the functions have the same gradient, that is 1, but y-intercept is different. So let's see how now we reverse this, get the reverse, that is we integrate this gradient and get the functions themselves. Therefore, an equation whose gradient is 1 is written in the form of y is equals to x plus c. This is because we have seen that c can take any value, which we refer to as the y-intercept. But as long as the gradient is 1,